Peace and black power. Got a couple of minutes on my hands, and I want to take those couple of minutes, and I don't really want to respond to this individual, but I know that this individual really does not know to whom it is he is posting these comments, because I'm responding from my ThoughtStrategy channel. Everybody knows my name is Brother Larry, and most people know me from my L James 418 channel, but I also have a channel called ThoughtStrategy that a few individuals are aware is me as well. Originally my intention was to direct commentary from the ThoughtStrategy channel and post my beats on L James 418. Didn't work out that way. You know, sometimes your best intentions, they go to the left when you're trying to move to the right. But this individual is posting comments, and he started to become an irritant. So I told him to post a video. Put your face behind your work. Put your face behind your comments, or save the nonsense, because I'm really not trying to hear it. You make a video, let the people get up on it. I'll even make sure that Brother Silent posts it on his channel. If you want to get at Brother Larry, get at me with a video so everybody can see. Don't get at me in the comments, and only a couple of people might read those comments. Make a video, and we'll deal with it there. Right? Now, for right now, because it takes very little time to deal with you, and I got so much time on this video, I'm putting this beat behind it and making it interesting. Know what I mean? I think that's kind of cool. Yeah. Right now I gotta go get my wife, so I'm only gonna rock this for a second or two. Let you know where I'm really coming from with this. Know what I'm saying? So you know. Professor Larry. You ain't got no style, man. Stay off my videos unless you got some real information. Know what I'm saying? Cause you're wasting my time. For real though. Now, this goes out to this cat that's posting all those superfluous comments on that video. Professor Larry breaks down religion. take it any way you wanna. Take it personally, take it informationally, or just take it like I'm giving it to you, orderly. This is a sound check for your ass trying to catch wreck. Don't make me do it. Stay your ass in your place, man. Stay out my face.